Gentlemen of the press, we're here this evening to witness the swearing-in of a judge, Dirialakeibama Jumbo, Esquire, B.
I, Siminalayi Fubara, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so help me God. My duties and perform my functions honestly, to the best of my ability, and faithfully in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and the law, that I will abide by the code of conduct contained in the 5th schedule to the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so help me God.
Please step forward and sign.
This world is just a small place. Jumbo, he used to be in charge of finance one time. In fact, within 2007 and 2015, while I was working in the Office of Accountant General, fortunately at that time, I was the exchequer. There is no cover that anybody would receive in the States that will not pass through me. And I know he's the one who normally fronts for the judiciary at that time. So, seeing you as a judge today, I'm really, really happy for you. Congratulations. I do not know the reason why you were not sworn in at that time. I also do not want to bother myself to try to know the reason. But what is important today is that purpose, that God's plan for you have come to fulfillment. You just read the oath here. What other charge am I supposed to give to you? I will never, I'm saying it publicly here, call any of you, I've not even done it before, to ask you to do what is wrong. But what we require from everybody, and you in particular, is to stand on the side of truth. So that tomorrow, Even if you're asked, why did you take a certain decision? You can boldly say, I took it because it is the right thing to do. Your children can also walk in the street of Harcourt without fear of what their father must have done one time or the other while he's in position. I think that is the greatest charge I can give to you. I'm not going to tell you any other thing. You just read it here yourself. Stand on the side of truth. Defend and protect the interests of our state. Not me, not Fubara, but the state. So I wish you well. I know that you're not going to disappoint us. You will make the judiciary proud. On this note, thank every one of you that has stood by him, supported. What I'm just doing here is to discharge my executive duty by swearing in a judge. Let me thank our people. Thank you for supporting us. Rivers State belongs to every one of us. At this time in the history of this country and the history of this state, it is not a mistake that we find ourselves in this position. I'm appealing to everybody, defend and support the integrity of our state. Thank you, and may God bless every one of you.
You know,